Welcome, nice trading bros and ladies. Welcome back to another video. And in this video, we want to talk about Dogelon. This is a wish from one of my subscribers and viewers. He wished that we should look at Dogelon. So here it is. If we start on the daily chart, let's start here on CoinMarketCap. First, what is Dogelon Mars? It's on the Ethereum blockchain and it's right now trading at a lot of zeros and 9619. It's more than 7.5% down. It has a market cap of more than 530 million and the circulating supplies at 55%. So, but actually, what is Dogelon? If we look here on the chart, you can see it had a big spike last year October and another one here at in January. Actually, since January it's just going down with lot of little peaks to the upside, but all in all, it's in a downtrend. So, what is Dogelon Mars? Dogelon Mars is a dog-themed meme coin on Ethereum and Polygon. It follows the example of other successful dog coins like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and Floki. So it has more than 300,000 Twitter followers and more than 84,000 followers on Telegram. And if you look here, are more than 1.3 million on the watch list. So a lot of people who are interested in this meme coin. Reason enough to look on the trading view chart. So, as I told you, here it is in a downtrend, but the good news are here you can see it's making higher lows. That is a good sign, but it was not able to make higher highs. So that is actually not so good. But you can draw a resistance line and a support line. So therefore it is in a kind of a channel, a wedge. And right now actually exactly in the middle of support and resistance. On the daily chart it is above the email ribbons, and the email ribbons are flipping green, red, green. So maybe if it can be above the email ribbons, that could be used for a good pump to the next resistance here. So first let's do Fibonacci retracement level. So look, here on the daily chart you can see that from this swing low to this swing high, it is right now exactly in the middle of the golden pocket. So, but this level has to hold. If not, I would expect actually at least it will come down to the 786 Fibonacci level or to retest again the support line. let's zoom out and do another one from this high to the low. So the price target then would be here, the golden pocket, and that would be a pump of 100% if it would come up to the golden pocket here. But that would mean it has to break above the resistance line from this wedge, from this channel. So if you measure this one out, I mean, that would be possible. That could bring it easily, the price target, to the golden pocket. But from right now to this high, so 180%. Actually, this is also definitely possible that we will see one time again this high again, because 180%, that is actually, it has to double the market cap. I mean, that could be possible. So, okay, I guess that's it for right now. If you want to trade these small or big moves, check out my link in the description. You can trade this on Phoenix and Bybit. And if you want to support me, leave a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. And also, if you're new on this channel, please subscribe to my channel. And as always, no financial advice, always do your research and never trust anybody except yourself, because it's your money. Peace out.